What's the one thing that Xbox, PlayStation, and every other gaming console have in common? If you guess that you have to press a power button to turn them on, you are correct. Your grand prize is attaining more entrepreneurial gain from yours truly. But in all seriousness, the reason I asked this rhetorical question is that I want you to view your business as if it were some sort of gaming console. Like a gaming console and the games that can be played on it, your business may come with instructions on how to play and succeed. In fact, the last section was about learning these instructions to play your business. But like not pressing the power button on the game console, your business is not a business until you press the ready. Many people with aspirations of being a boss forget that starting a business is 50% of what it takes to have a successful business. Yet, so many people fail to even start a business because they let various circumstances, aka excuses, get in their way. Look, I admit that I had businesses that were complete, utter failures due to a variety of reasons. But the main reason all of those businesses failed was a lack of passion. I remember going through a whole summer attempting to be a traveler. Once I obtained my travel agent license, I quit. After all that time, money, and effort spent trying to become a travel agent, I realized that being a travel agent wasn't for me after becoming a certified travel agent. Ain't that a bitch? Experiences like that made me realize that you only press the ready button on a business you are passionate about. I wasn't passionate about selling people vacation experiences. Honestly, the only vacation experiences I care about are mine and my family. That's why in this course, I have hammered home the fact that you must be passionate about whatever business endeavors you pursue. But that shouldn't be a problem now that you know what hobby you're so passionate about that you're making it a business. The only thing left for you to do is push the ready button and open up shop. So, is there anything you need to do before pushing the ready button to begin your business? Sure. Just get these three things. Get your website domain name, as you will need it regardless if your business is online or in person. I get mine from Google Domain for $12 and it comes out annually. Number 2, get your EIN number for free from the federal government website. If the site is saying you have to pay to get your EIN number, it's a scam. Lastly, get your LLC to protect yourself legally. I got mine through LegalZoom for a one-time cost of around $350, and after that, it is $120 annually for the following years. I'm in Tennessee, so the cost may be different for you as it depends on the state you reside in. Truthfully, you should wait till your business is profitable before getting your LLC, but I'm not an accountant nor a legal expert, so don't quote me on